Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the FINALS Error Code TFAV3015. The error reads, System Integrity Violation. A forbidden operating system configuration was detected. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when players try to run the game on Linux or SteamOS systems, such as Steam Deck or Legion Go. Many users reported that the game crashes mid-session with this error, especially after the latest update. According to our research, the error is likely caused by compatibility issues between the game and certain Proton configurations, leading to a system integrity violation detection. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to try launching the game again. Some players reported that after retrying, the game worked without the error. So give this a try and see if this helps. If the error still comes, try updating Proton to the latest hotfix. Players shared that the Proton hotfix update solved this issue on Linux and SteamOS. Once updated, relaunch the game and see if the error still comes. At last, if nothing helps, then wait for further updates from the developers. Since this issue came with a recent update, future patches or Proton updates may address the issue completely. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.